say bafethu wirala ndishintsha I'm back at it, back like Mkokocho. It's still there boy. Mara ke mfana makasala 1804 inkosi estrate ngigijima indoda egijima estrateni ngena hlathi nishibu bese likhamisile bathi inkabe zonijabisa abantu ngoshuna amapiano bafethu ngibuye nenye ke manje
Sisekake.
Nenye sidlala ama challenge. Shuthi the name of this challenge is guess the artist. So lana usisteri uzokhetha iphepha. Uzokhetha like number from 1 to 9. Then lama phepha lala i9. Each inamagama, amagama i3, real names of my celebrity. Should she get all 3 of these names right, she's walking away with $100. That's all. Now the clipper.
Asina na ko ya game la.
Nalibona clipper. Now my paper. So my sister, are you ready? Hey, Mr. Cameraman, ngibambe le clipper. Ngibambe bangathi ngiyabaropa. Hey, my sister, alright?
Yes, I'm good.
Thank you. Ngicela from 1 to 9, please pick your lucky number.
7.
7. 7 nizwele. Sibheka number 7 lapho. Lucky number 7. Okay. Ha. Nangu 7 guys, 7, right? Sayvala. Okay, ngicela ubambele le mic, ne? Ukhulumela, ne?
Yes.
Hey, akumelanga ubone phela.
Woo!
Number 1. Hey. Bega, number 1 is Mpho Innocent Libazwa.
Mpela mathuba guys.
Mpho Innocent Libazwa.
Capital is small.
Wrong. Number 2. Tumelo Manyoni.
DJ Maporisa.
We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right.
That's option.
Phela
That's
ngibazi.
option. Sihle Sithole.
Ostambo.
Ngoba abantu basaka nabaye ba right. Lalela ngizwa lo muntu eyidomkop mina. Idomkop nje ngiyifuni idomkop. Domkop.
My sister, you tried. So, ufuna ukulibona iphepha, uzibone ungabiza amagama ne. Yeah, uzibhekele uthi uluze kanjani. 100 rand gone like that. Konje. Bafethu 100 rand. Wanesizwa amandla. Guys, lucky number 7 uluzile. Sorry. I only get one shot. Cut. Thank you. Rolling again and you're back like Mkokocho. I'm still your boy. Inkosi estrate ngigijima indoda egijima estrateni ngena hlathi nishibu bese likhamisile bathi inkaba izondi ijayibisa abantu ngoshuna amapiano. Bekani guys, challenge 100 rand up for grabs. Awuthi ngibabonisa lapha ngathi abaropa. Anginike lelo wundra. Guys, 9 yabona ne. Up for grabs. No, my sister. Same bound. 100 rand up for grabs. What she has to do is uzopika amana inamba yakhe lucky number kule phepha leli. There's 3 names. So wabiza la magama yena sho ukuthi abhilonga kubo bani la magama. Okay? So my sister.
Sisekake.
Ama number ne from 1 to 9 apart from 7 sebamkhethi. Then look at number 1. 4. Okay. Lucky number 4. Ngicela ubambele undra. Lucky number 4. Ngicela uzibambele my sister.
Asina na ko ya game la.
Lucky number 4. Lucky number 4. Nangoke ngiyambona ngithi don't say si robber about you. Yo. Okay, my sister number 1. Lihlohonolo Ronald Matabuge.
Where back?
Umuntu famous. Okay, ngizokuphi crew wenza hip hop. It's cuts, my sister. It's cuts.
Open up boy.
Tsheli lokho uyanginyela kahle lo uyabona.
Hey, number 2 Sandile Fortune Simanga. Ngicela ungathi stay abantu bami ngiyacela. Hello.
Sandy.
Siyashutha la. Sandi the fortune Msimanga. Hey.
Ah, umngani wami kumele angiyezela ngithi.
Angakutshela.
Yeah, ubani?
My sister.
Hayi,
Scat.
Lim crazy.
Aye, wrong. Last option, my sister. My sister. Last one. Linda Mnisi.
Lim crazy. Lim crazy.
Usho?
Yes.
Like usho?
Yeah, yeah.
Usho? Makutshele wani.
Youngster na.
We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right.
Ungabizi umuntu nawo amagama wabo la.
You.
We are back again with another contender, another contestant. I'm still your boy, 1804, Mr. Sowetan American. But in Costa Kitchen, Kitchen, starting again, let's finish it. Best come see Batin Kabazondi, the Chinese Abantu, Moshun or Mabia.
Sisekake.
How you want a man? Asamakan.
Nandi.
I would say, so you know the rules, right? You're gonna pick one number from 1 up to 9, apart from 7 and 4. In this paper, we have options like 3 or magama, real names of celebrities. Mina ngizobiza amagama, wena ungitshela ukuthi amagama wabo, ama stage name wabo abobani. Right? You get all 3 names, uthatha clip antwana yami. Cameraman. Yabo, uthi singabalekani, makayithola uthatha kuwe imali yakhe. Yabo ngoba mina nami ngiyalezi thuba. Please choose one number from 1 up to 9, maruti 7 and 4. Our 4 akekho no 7 abekho.
You are slow learner. Fucking idiot.
9 it is. Hey, Mwanaka, are you feeling lucky? Yeah. Okay. Thumbs bambele lapho. Yabani. Lucky number 9. Ashukela number 9. Akela yabona. Number 1. Sibusiso Mukoni. Yeah. Ubetha beyond. Yabo gane true. Sibusiso Mukoni.
Ayizula.
Oh, uyakivava. Akekho ufuna ukumnceda. Wena mthandi. Siriso Mulokoli.
Ken. Uphonyethu.
No, ki mucho wa munna. Yakhulumele la emakini.
We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right.
So
Zama Njam. Zama was a great man. Uzama was a great man. Zama Njam. Skati sikshayile futhi.
ay.
Okay, number last. Lena fere bayizwile man, cela ngingamtsheli. Mpho Innocent Libazwa. Sisi. Ngeke, ibiziwe khona.
Maya sitha busy.
Benzobana.
Yeah.
Kumele uwele ibize kahle. Maka yafana noma ungayithola uthole 1 so. You don't count. You must get all 3 baba.
Asina nako ya game la.
Ungabizi umuntu nawo amagama wabo la.
You.
Kiona eu, Muhayesu kila number 9 who wasn't so lucky.
Sisekake.
Benzobana.
Yeah.